Welcome to the ET322 how-to video for the Transistor Driver Lab, building it in Multisim. Okay, here is our Multisim, and let's go ahead and build a circuit. So let's grab a few parts. So we're going to go to sources, power supplies. I need a ground, probably a couple of them. And I'm going to need, let's go ahead and just get a VCC. And let's make that one 15 volts. We can use a battery, but this one works. So let's go ahead and get transistor NPN. So let's get a 3904. And we're going to need, let's go ahead and get a diode here. And we're going to get a LED. And let's get an orange. And we need some resistors. So I think we have a 680, that's a standard size. And we need a, let's do 36K. Okay, let's build our circuit. And we're going to have our 15 up here. We're going to have our base resistor here. Let's move this down because we're going to have to put some, let's rotate this 90. And we have our ground. Okay, let's connect it. And what we've done here is we are using our VCC to drive both our base resistor and our LED circuit. Okay, let's build our flasher circuit. So let's disconnect our base resistor. Let's flip them. And of course we flipped them in a knot. Let's go ahead and let's flip them again. There we go. Alright, so we're going to go to our power sources. And we're going to pick signal sources, and we're going to do a clock voltage. We're going to put a TTL signal on this. So we need to flip this guy vertically, so we get the plus going in. We're going to borrow a ground. Oops. And let's flip him vertically. Okay, and 0 to 5 is good, but what we want is 10 hertz. And Multisim doesn't always resolve this based on computer time. So let's see what we got. 10 hertz, 5 volts. And let's get rid of our probes and close this out. Okay, let's rebuild our circuit here, and we're going to use the existing parts. Let's just go ahead and swap this guy out. Replace, and let's go to PNP and get a 3906. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we need to, let's go ahead and cut all this out. Okay, so we're going to take our diode and we're going to flip them Once we disconnect him, we're going to flip him vertically, because now we're going to use a minus voltage for our PNP. Okay, and let's get rid of our clock circuit. Yeah, so we have 680 needed. Okay, good. And now we're going to change our VCC up here to a minus 15 volts and reconnect it. Because the PNP is going to require minus voltage. And okay, let's revise this circuit to be a positive circuit using a PNP. We need to reverse our resistance because now we're using a positive voltage. So let's flip him horizontally. Oops. Vertically, sorry. And we're going to ground this base resistor. 15, it says 510, we'll use 680. Whoop, we forgot to flip the transistor. Okay, let's flip this guy vertically. So now we have our emitter at top. And let's see if we can get it to work. Okay, let's build our voltage divider circuit for NPN. So let's grab some grounds. Let's grab a VCC. Let's grab a ground. We need a 3904, sorry. Transistor, NPN, 3904. And we need some 1K resistors. We need at least 3 of them here. And I need a 10K potentiometer. And this one, what we're going to do here is we're going to make a variable voltage divider here, so we could figure out, we want to figure out a few things. So let's flip this thing horizontally. That's going to feed. What we're going to do is we're going to adjust the base current and figure out when this transistor turns on. This 1K is to protect the resistor in case we go too far. Okay, let's make this 15 volts. And let's zoom in. And let's put an ammeter in here. Okay, circuit built.